Hi there, students. Fastidious, an adjective. Fastidiously, the adverb. And fastidiousness, the noun, the quality. Okay, so we can use this word both positively and negatively. Let's see, if somebody is fastidious, they pay very close attention to detail. They want everything to be very accurate, everything exactly in the right place. So yes, he always pays fastidious attention to detail. He's always very fastidious about his appearance. Okay, so here it's positive. But we can also use it in a negative way, saying that somebody is over concerned about the small details. They are worried that everything needs to be perfect to an excessive extent, more than is reasonable. So, yeah, he was very fastidious about the English that I wrote. So, was he paying careful attention, or was he being critical? His fastidiousness can be quite annoying at times. He is so fastidious about his food that it's almost impossible to get him to eat anything. Clearly negative. But then in the kitchen you should be fastidious about hygiene. You should make certain that it's everything is correct. So fastidious, scrupulous, punctilious, painstaking, meticulous, assiduous, sedulous, paying attention to detail. But then we have the opposite of that, or overkill on that. Fussy, nitpicking, finicky, over delicate, fussy, squeamish, hard to please, pernickety. Okay, so either it's good or it's bad, and you need to phrase your use of fastidious to show if you're being positive or negative. When writing a law, it's very good to be fastidious. But if you're in a hurry, being fastidious is just not possible. If you're doing research, you need to be fastidious. Yeah, you need to be a fastidious scholar. But if you won't even dirty your hands for anything, that is being fastidious. Yeah, he hated to dirty his hands with food and would never touch it. He was so fastidious. So you could call somebody fastidious who's difficult to please. The club is becoming more and more fastidious about the social class of person who is allowed to enter. Yeah, so excessively particular about the details, going over the top, exceedingly delicate, easily taken aback by something. Okay, so fastidious, fussy, finicky, particular, punctilious, meticulous, exacting, pernickety or persnickety, yeah, choosy, picky, scrupulous, discriminating, demanding, yeah, painstaking, and many, many more. Okay, so it's good to keep yourself fastidiously clean. But there are some situations where you're just going to get dirty. So in these, you try to be careful to get not to get as little dirt on yourself as you can. Okay, so as a teacher, it's not good to be fastidious about every mistake students make. Well, sometimes I'm probably a bit fastidious in the comments section. My apologies. Okay. I think maybe in the past people were much more fastidious about social details. Um, if you want your plants to grow well, you need to be fastidious. If you're doing mathematics, fastidiousness is important. Yeah, you need to uh, do your mathematics fastidiously, because if you don't, you're going to make mistakes. Yeah. Okay, so fastidious, attention to detail, paying clear attention to detail, but either that or excessive, overly concerned about it. Particularly over concerned about details, about tidiness and cleanliness. Okay, so origin. Well, this is a word that comes from Latin, fastidiosus, meaning feeling disgust. Uh, Something that's loathsome, yeah? From fastus, disdain, arrogance, and tidium, disgust. Okay, it comes to us through French. Formality, fastidious. This is a fairly formal word. I think I would give it maybe a 7, 6.5. You could you use it in an informal conversation? No, but use it in a semi-formal conversation? Yes. Okay, so it's strongly on the formal literary side, but I would only exclude it from an informal conversation. Um, and there you go. So yeah, fastidious, fussy, niggling about things, exacting, demanding. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fastidious, fastidiously, fastidiousness.